Today, we are here to chat about a topic that might be swirling around in many of your minds: the basics of living in one state and owning a business in another. It's not as daunting as it seems, and quite a few people are doing it successfully. Before we explain, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about business topics designed to help save you time and money. First things first, let's talk numbers. Did you know that approximately 10% of business owners operate from a different state than where their business is physically located? Yeah, it's quite a significant number, and this trend is on a rise, especially with the remote work revolution taking over. Let's delve into some of the reasons why business owners choose to live in a different state. One of the main reasons is the potential for lower operating costs. Businesses might find states with more favorable tax conditions, or perhaps they might find a richer talent pool in another state. It's like having the best of both worlds, enjoying the personal benefits of one state and the business advantages of another. Alright, moving on to one of the crucial parts, the legal stuff. Now, remember to consult with a professional to understand the specific requirements for your situation, but generally, you'll need to register your business as a foreign entity in the state your business operates. It's a simple way to tell the state that you're running a business there, even though you're not a resident. Now, let's touch on taxes, because we know that's a big one. Owning a business in another state means you might be subject to different state tax laws. So, you need to keep an eye on the state income taxes, sales taxes, and any other business-related taxes in both states. It sounds like a bit of a juggling act, but once you get the hang of it, it's pretty manageable. But hey, it's not all about the numbers and formalities. One of the greatest aspects of this arrangement is the potential for expanding your market reach. Having a business in another state opens up new opportunities and clientele that you might not have accessed otherwise. In fact, businesses that operate in multiple states have reported nearly 20% higher growth compared to those that stick to their home state. Pretty neat, right? So remember this: living in one state and owning a business in another isn't as complex as it seems. With the right guidance and a good grasp of the nuances, you can successfully run your business from anywhere. For more information, please visit legalregistration.com, or you're welcome to call our experts at 877-955-7111. Also, what's your opinion? Does it seem simple or complicated to own a business in a separate state from your residence? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important information designed to help your business grow and make consistent profits.